Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a Minecraft texture pack. Let's get started. First, make sure your Minecraft is closed. Open your browser and search for Minecraft Vanilla Texture Pack download. Then go to CurseForge and download the Vanilla Default Resource Pack that matches your Minecraft version. Once it finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and drag the file to your desktop and right-click it and choose Extract All. And after that, open the extracted folder and go to Assets, then Minecraft, then go to Textures. Then inside you'll see folders like Block, Item, or Entity. For now, open the Block folder. This contains texture like dirt, grass, stone, and wood. And after that, choose your texture you want to edit and right-click it and select Open With, then open it using Paint or GIMP or Photoshop. Then zoom in so that you can see the pixel clearly, then change the color or design. When you finished, click Save and you can edit multiple texture if you want. Just repeat this step. And after that, go back to the main extracted folder, then select all the files, then right click and choose compress to zip file. And after that, rename it to whatever you like, then this will be your texture pack. And after that, open Minecraft and go to Options, then Resource Packs, then click Open Pack folder, then drag your zip file into this folder, enable it in Minecraft and click Done. Then Minecraft will reload and your custom texture pack will now be activated. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.